Alright, hey dudes, this is Alex. I'm going to try to explain best I can with this video how to reassemble the dual mag release system. So I'm just going to go by part and see if I got good enough angles of these, but you're going to start with we call it the AR mag button, but it's just the mag button that your index finger would hit if you're righty. So it's going to go in that hole. You're going to see it out the other side like that. It's going to set in as far as it can. Next, you're going to take the rear mag release, and it goes in a special way, so pay attention. You're going to be using this little ledge here that we're showing off. That's where the spring is going to go to give tension to this lever or this slider. So there's the spring. Alright, so it goes in with that kind of knobbed edge end first, and it's going to kind of lock into that first button that we installed. Next, you can get that spring, and like I showed, you're going to put it in that little ledge and stick it out. You're going to get, maybe the Allen that we have included, and just bend it inwards so that when you close it, it's just going to pop right in place, and it will give the tension that's needed. Next, you're going to have the front mag catch, and that just slides right on in. There's no tension as of right now. It's pretty simple, but it's been tapped. What's been drilled and tapped for the bolt on the actual button. So that bolt on the bottom, the one that's supposed to have Loctite, is going to fall into that hole, and you're going to use the Allen to then tighten that bolt down into the front mag catch. Now you're going to want to tighten it down as much as you can. It shouldn't be loose. Now test the function of all the buttons. That one should have retention. The AR button should have retention. And it should also move that one right there. Alright guys, sorry, I'm coughing a bit. It's not the most professional video. I could work on getting better angles, but I figured it'd be helpful to at least put that out. So, hope you guys like it.